We just finished showing you how to make the green tea, the white tea, and the rattlesnake. Guys, if you like shots, you're gonna wanna stick around. Hey everyone, welcome back to The Blind Pig. As always, I'm your host, Jason. For today's video, we're gonna show you 3 variations of the popular tea shots. We're making the green tea, the white tea, and it's not called tea, the rattlesnake. I could have called it something fun. Anyway, guys, we're gonna show you how to make these 3 variations. This is probably one of the most popular shot at most bars. Personally, more of a whiskey guy, but my wife and I are out together and we do a shot together. Green tea or white tea is almost always our go-to. Super easy to make, just a few ingredients, guys. I'm gonna show you how to make it right now. All right, so like I said, these shots are super easy to make. Let me show you just how easy they are. First, we got our shaker. Put a few ice cubes in there. And then we'll start off by doing the green tea. For the green tea, and by the way, despite the names, there's no tea in these. The green tea gets its name just from the color alone. As you'll see in a second, the end result is a green color. No tea, no health values whatsoever to this. Probably quite the opposite, in fact. So we're gonna start out here with, it's a ½ ounce of all of our parts here. So we have a ½ ounce of Irish whiskey. We're using the most common, which is Jameson. It is a ½ ounce of sweet and sour mix. You can make your own, combining lemon juice and lime juice. In this case, the pre-bottled stuff is fine for this shot. It's a sweet shot on purpose. ½ ounce of that. I'm gonna keep that one out. We'll use that one in a second. And then a ½ ounce of peach schnapps. Again, a super sweet liqueur here. It's gonna add a lot of sweetness. This will be a very sweet, a little bit of tart shot. I'll go ahead and shake that up. And we'll pour into one of our 3 waiting shot glasses our green tea. Perfect pour. Next, we're gonna use the same shaker for this. I'm the one drinking it. They share a lot of common ingredients. It's okay. So for this one is, instead of the green tea, which uses Irish whiskey, our white tea uses vodka. So we're using Tito's. It's usually our go-to for cocktails here. ½ ounce of our Tito's vodka. ½ ounce of our sour mix once again. And like before, we'll throw a ½ ounce of our peach schnapps in there. Now the color of this, because of the sweet and sour, is still gonna be a green tint to it. The white tea comes not from the color, in this case, just from the fact that you're not using Jameson. Pour that one out. Definitely a little whiter in color with a light green hue to it. And then lastly, we have our rattlesnake. I've actually never had this one before. Didn't even know it existed. Was doing a little research on the shot to see if I can find who made it the first time. I have no idea who made it. Couldn't find that at all. And someone said the rattlesnake was the popular go-to at their bar, which is same ingredients except tequila. Now the tequila I'm using in this video is Lalo. Definitely a little too fancy for a shot like this, but I don't usually have cheaper tequila here, so we'll go with the good stuff for this one. So again, same thing as before. We got equal parts, ½ ounce of each. ½ ounce of our peach schnapps. Followed by a ½ ounce of our sweet and sour mix. Give this a shake. And pour into our 3rd waiting shot glass. By the way, if you're at a bar and you and your 2 friends want shots, don't order 1 of each. The bartender would hate you. Get 3 of the same, just do 3 rounds. You'll notice here we have a can of Sprite as well. For all these, you top with a little splash of lemon lime soda, add some bubbles, a little more sweetness to it as well. There you go. Let's go ahead and down the hatch. First, we got our green tea. I've had many of these. It's sweet, a little tart. It's delicious. It really goes down super easy. Again, when my wife and I want to do shots together, this is usually our go-to. If not, we go with the white tea, which is up next. Cheers. Just a little smoother. I mean, I'm a whiskey fan. If you don't like whiskey at all, you can't really taste it in that first shot. But the white tea is a little smoother. Vodka being a neutral spirit, doesn't really have any flavors to it. So really all you're getting there is the peach and the sweet and sour, as opposed to anything the whiskey would have imparted. Lastly, like I said, this is the first time I ever made this. This is the Rattlesnake. If you have a different name for this or a different combination of these ingredients you like, let me know in the comments. So here's the Rattlesnake with tequila. Cheers. Delicious, very tequila forward. If you don't like tequila, don't get this. I love tequila. I enjoyed that quite a bit. That said, if I'm drinking something like a Lalo, I'm just drinking it neat. I don't need the other mixers, but there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment below. You know the drill. We'll see you soon. Cheers.